Okay, so we were discussing on this. How many students they joined? 66. Should we start?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we were discussing the like power, authority, and politics all operate interdependently in the workplace. Okay. Now, what is meant by authority? Authority, it is like the person who is responsible for what. Okay. Now, just consider like our director. He has having the power, and he's having authority. Now, can you justify like what is the authority he's having? Anyone? I have given the job description that the director, this is a job profile, director of a management institute. Now, what the authority he is having?
Ma'am, right to take decision.
Decision related to what? Can you complete that
Related to the
sentence?
college.
Yes. Even
Related to college and
I'm have a right to take a decision, but considering my job profile, I can't take a decision related to certain, because that is what we can say the constraint. Whereas being a director, though we are having the same what we can say the educational profile, but still being the sitting on that particular chair, he is having certain authority which I'm not having.
Ma'am, decision with
Yes.
responsibility.
That वही मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि what is a decision in what area, and they
With
Decision
responsibility.
decision related to what?
employees and the whole staff.
Related to staff, related to take decisions, related to maybe some. Can you clarify more? Just compare,
Setting
because we
rules
both
and
are having the
regulations
same qualification, basic qualification,
Ma'am,
or
regard-
maybe the higher qualification also. But still being on that position, he is having a separate special authority, which I'm not having, being the professor.
He is a director, so he can take a decision related to the staff and the student.
Ma'am, related to the college functioning.
Yes. Can I take a
He can
related to
provide order.
suppose initially what happened on that second the third day, government, they have passed a certain circular like a normal shutdown or a lockdown. So being the faculty, I was not having that authority to convey the message to the student and to take a decision on that, whether to next 2 days induction program will be offline or online. But being the director, he was having that authority, because it is in his profile that he need, somebody has said ki functioning of the management, especially a specific unit or specific, because he can't take a decision related to the complete Wadia campus, because he is having that profile which is only related to Neville Wadia. Okay. Whereas the power and the authority he has got because of that job, because of that chair, the other person in the same unit, like in an Neville Wadia, nobody other than him having that power and authority. Okay. But yes, can he, I'm just saying, like operate interdependently. Can he delegate his power and authority? In organization, behavior is very, very important too. There is a hairline difference between the power and authority. So can he delegate his power and authority? Are you getting my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you support with some example? Yes, these are the area where he can delegate his power and authority.
Student orientation.
Student orientation means I'm not getting. Can you clearly, what you want to say? Can you convey in a proper way, like what exactly you want to communicate? Can he delegate the signing authority?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Honors?
Yeah,
Over
actually,
signing authority.
Yes,
Like, ma'am,
ma'am.
whatever decision which are in line with the Neville Wadia, so he can represent that in a higher authority with higher responsibility.
But can he delegate it? Delegate means to give to someone.
he can't actually give
in a-
the authority to other people to sign over documents. Like, he can't do
Yes,
that.
yes.
I don't think so.
Who is saying that?
It's Aniket Sherkar. ma'am.
Aniket, very true. Signing authority, he can't delegate. Extreme level, just for for director, and that is only the maybe he has delegated to the concerned person. Maybe he can asking the HOD, like suppose Dole sir ki on behalf of me you can sign, then only. But he can't delegate the signing authority, especially the considering the financial matter. So not, it's totally in that particular year he can't delegate the signing authority. Rest apart, like there are a certain, according to the situation, yes, he is having that power to delegate the this authority to the person whom he want to nominate. Sometimes because we have all the faculty members who are here, and there are different types of functions or the committees we have, and he is a committee, what we can say, chairman of that committee, but some faculty is nominated as a what we can say, the coordinator for. So respective committees here on behalf of director, that committee, because he is a coordinating that committee, that particular faculty can sign maybe a small notice or some circular, but not which is relevant to the overall Neville Wadia. Okay, so power and authority and the politics, these are interdependently in the workplace. Understanding the appropriate ways these elements are exhibited and used as agreed upon by the workplace rules and the ethical guidelines are the key component to running a cohesive business. So it's very, very important that each person in the organization, they must respect the power, authority of the higher person, the people who are sitting at a higher position. Even they must respect whatever the work the other employee, maybe at a lower grade they are working, but they must respect. So normally in Indian ethos and values we are saying, ऐसे ही respect नहीं मिलता, आपको respect देना भी पड़ता है. Okay, even nowadays the generation is more smart. छोटे बच्चे, the kids also, they want to respect. Okay, so this is in what we can say, the give and take policy in a normal way. Okay. So I just want to, I'm just giving one small example, like how your brain is functioning, like which is through which you show your behavior. So I just want to assign one task. I just want to let know from the you people that who want to take that small assignment. Who is interested to take that small assignment, is small activity? Who is interested to take that first? No leader in the class?
Ma'am, can you just elaborate the activity?
Simple activity. You will really enjoy that. It's challenging activity, but really you will enjoy it. Very simple activity. जैसे I'm saying कि one activity or assignment, your mind is not allowing you to take that challenge. है ना? That is a normal behavior. Class में सबको, if suppose I'm asking कि this is for all, then that is up to you. Like, ma'am, what is the deadline? But when I'm asking such type of a question, anybody is interested in a class to take that challenge. So your mind, that is your first impression, it is not permitting you to take or accept that challenges. है ना? So now who is ready to take that small activity?
I take an
Roll
initiative
number
on behalf
73,
of
ma'am.
students.
Omkar is ready? Is that Omkar only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I will
Okay.
try.
I will try. I know that you are smart enough to take that. It's very simple activity. Okay, so how much time we have till?
7 minutes.
We have
7
7
minutes
minutes. So
left,
I'm
ma'am.
giving only, this is 1 minute activity, and you all people, Omkar is doing lively demo type, but all the people you also do with the Omkar. Okay. Okay. So this is a question. Omkar, read it carefully. ओंकार यू कैन आपका जो वीडियो है वो भी ऑन करो एंड यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड देखो लुक एट द चार्ट एंड से द कलर नॉट द वर्ड आर यू गेटिंग
Yes, ma'am.
look at the chart and say the color not the word other people also you can also practice with phone आपका सिर्फ माइक आपको म्यूट कर रखना पड़ेगा हम ओंकार only he can unmute his mic chalo so I'm giving you 1 minute your you just say madam I'm ready then I will say yes you can start
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
are you ready Onkar
Yes, ma'am.
your time start now
Green, red, blue, yellow, blue, black, red, blue, green, black, red, yellow, green, blue, black, blue, red, green.
wow that's great I said na ki Onkar you can your master your you can do that so anyone would
Thank
like
you,
to
ma'am.
take very nice I'm on behalf of whole class I'm clapping for you Onkar you did well beyond my
Thank you, ma'am.
expectation thoda last line mein thoda kyunki that is a normal tendency it's the first time whenever it's a challenge hai na so vision and the what we are reading so your left and the right brain is set it's not accepting that like when we are trying to read yellow it's in a green but we are what we are reading yellow okay anyone want to take a challenge in the class in front of all
Yes, ma'am.
who is that I'm not getting that. Rohan
No,
who
ma'am.
is-
Yogeshwar ji.
Yogesh yes please you just unmute yourself and you just you can show your video also and take this challenge you need to read it loudly so that all the people they can listen you
I am audible, ma'am.
yes very much
Can I start?
yes please ready your time start now
Green, red, blue, yellow, green, black, red, green, red. Sorry.
green
Green, black, red, yellow, blue, green, green, blue, black, green, red, and green. Sorry. Green. बरोबर.
जो ग्रीन था वो ब्लू था
I'm so confused.
है ना तो कंफ्यूज नहीं दैट इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट एक्चुअली लेफ्ट राइट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्यों हो रहा है वो योर राइट ब्रेन ट्राइज टू से द कलर बट योर लेफ्ट ब्रेन इंसिस्ट ऑन रीडिंग द
It's
वर्ड
just reading the word.
यस
Correct, ma'am.
that is directly linked with your behavior sometime कैसे होता है ना many time you also जैसे फ्रेंड्स में रहते हो तो क्या बोलते हो आप कि मेरा दिल एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा ब्रेन तो एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है मेरा दिल my heart is not accepting that so yet that is a twist between the brain and the heart so here in
Very
your
true,
brain
ma'am.
which
Very true. Very true.
yeah, which shows your behavior so here behavior is your external reaction whereas internal functioning jo hota hai na sometime you observe your behavior you are into the external situation you are trying to show your behavior okay just I'm giving you 2 example normally you are going to attend the marriage वहां पे बहुत अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर है तो वहां पे आप एंजॉय करते हो है ना बिकॉज यू आर अवेयर अबाउट कि यहाँ पे रोना नहीं है. A societal जो that is what we can say the which is already coding और brain में already हो चुका है. But एक लास्ट जो फनरल वगैरह जो प्रोसेस होता है, कैन यू लाफ और कैन यू डांस इन दैट सिचुएशन? बिकॉज द सोशल ऑब्लिगेशन जो है विच इज ऑलरेडी कोडिंग बन चुका है आपके माइंड में, विच इज नॉट गिविंग यू परमिशन. भले ही आपको उस टाइम पे आपको आपके अंदर से आपको डांस करने की या गाना गाने की इच्छा हो रही होंगी, बट ड्यूरिंग द funeral of your very what we can say the family member, or will it will you give a permission to yourself to laugh or to enjoy, or करोगे क्या?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So this is your
No, ma'am.
behavior. We are already
No,
like,
ma'am.
from your childhood, because of your family, because of external जो social belongingness होता है या social obligation होता है, which is already ये coding already इधर set है कि you need to behave in this situation like this only. If you are not behaving in this way, then you are a आपको क्या ठहराया जाता है कि you are not behaving properly. क्लास में क्लास चल रहा है, somebody want to dance, somebody want to what we can say chit chat, but the social obligation is like that कि you are not permitted, है ना? कि वहां पे एक डेस्क के जो बैठ रहे हैं, it's supposed to be in a proper manner. प्लेग्राउंड में आपको प्रॉपर बैठने के लिए बोलेंगे क्या कोई? टीचर दे इंसिस्ट टू कि शोर करो, क्लैपिंग करो अदर टीम मेंबर्स के लिए या उधर मस्ती करो. So these are according to the external environment. You need to show your behavior. You can't sit in isolation or idle on a playground. Whereas it is compulsion when you are sitting in a classroom on a bench. It is advised कि यदि आप proper नहीं बैठते हो, यहाँ पे आप मस्ती करते हो, तो you are breaking the rule, or maybe you will get a punishment. So it is. There were many. This is beyond what we can say. The time not permitting us. Lots of study. कि why ऐसा ही क्यों है? So few people they are coming with the question like ऐसा ही क्यों करना है? Normally, your brain till age group of 6 to 7, they are raising a many question. You ask, you just observe the maybe if you are having certain children in this age group in your family or in neighbor. Slowly कैसे होता है? Parents also they are asking their kids, ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछने का, जैसे बोला गया वैसे करने का. They are asking their kids not to raise a question, and we are living in such a society that from the childhood जो हमारा brain active brain होता है, we are utilizing 90% brain in the childhood. Rather I said कि 100% brain का utilization आपके childhood में होता है, and slowly when surrounding, relatives, society members, family members, your parents, they are restricting, they were giving, they are suggesting you not to, because of this external जो आपके ऊपर आता है ना, ये मत करो, don't do that, don't do this, like ये करो ऐसा करो. So due to that, you are stopping your brain to think beyond your expectation. So a reverse study, many people, this is a finding of a actual experiment and the research, and slowly then we stop thinking कि नहीं जैसे traditionally करना है वैसे करना है. People, parents, because parents ने बोला है वैसे इसलिए हम कर रहे हैं, and we are not raising a question कि ऐसा ही क्यों? Why we need to behave like this only, or why we need to do like this only? So this is one side we can say it's wrong, you know. And then the teaching, the theoretical, when the people they are getting some theoretical knowledge, they are reading, they are writing maybe the article, and they are coming कि ये हमने नहीं करना चाहिए, ये हमने करना चाहिए. Okay, so these are your behavior. What with elements of your behavior? It's cultivation जिसको बोलते हैं. It started not from it started from your childhood only. Okay, so that's for a day. Have you enjoyed this activity? Other people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
whom I
ma'am.
am not,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
the people whom I am not able to see, please do this activity at your with your friend also, ki how they will react, because this is very simple activity. We show your behavior, or we show your the way you are means reacting to the external world. Okay. So I'm giving the attendance link on your this WhatsApp group. So please attendance bhi mark karna hai aapko. Okay. So this is for a day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
you,
chalo,
ma'am.
bye. You can leave now.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.